Crunchbase Preamble. Session Prerequisites. Browse to our earlier material on descriptive statistics, available under QM101.1x. You must be enrolled in the course to view the content. In preparation, please have the spreadsheet open on your computer and follow along. Maximum benefit guaranteed.
Welcome back. This is Shankar Venkatgiri. I'm your instructor for Statistics for Business 1. You know, before moving to academics, I used to work at a startup firm in Boston, and I can tell you that capital plays an important role in the success or failure of startups. So today we're going to take up a data set from the world of startups, and what I'm going to show you is an example of exploratory data analysis. So let's get started. So let me be honest, I'm no expert in the world of startup funding. So we won't be going into factors that drive startup funding and so on. In fact, a rudimentary analysis like this cannot come up with any actionable insights on our part. What we are going to do instead is to take up a specific data set and analyze it, talk about some skills, talk about some concepts, and all the while we want to make sure that you're going to be having some fun as well. Now for this demo, we have downloaded our data set from a website known as Crunchbase. It's a very popular website which gathers information from people across the web, which is crowdsourced information. And I can tell you that this mechanism in the age of the internet is becoming very popular in building data sets as well. We will take up a few examples during our course and you will see its enormous power. Now for this demo, we use the Crunchbase data export as of December 2014. Now you can go ahead and download a copy of the dataset for yourself. But be careful, it all depends on when you've downloaded the dataset and your conclusions might be different from ours. Now it's always good practice to check out the terms of usage for any dataset that we download from the web. In fact, the Crunchbase data export does have licensing requirements. So if you're going to try this for any commercial purposes, please go through their licensing requirements page. Now in support of Crunchbase, I must tell you that it is a very hard task to meticulously assemble all of this information. I've also followed the links from the permalink column that they have given. You can do that yourself to check out that most of that information is correct. So there's nothing to worry about it. But having said that, I would say we are not going to vouch for all of the information to be completely valid at this time. When it comes to data sets, it's often good to wear a skeptic's hat. For example, our data set over here may not reflect every funding round for every company over every year that is represented. So you will soon find this out and be aware of the consequences. I must tell you that the principal goal of these demos is to be able to showcase some techniques based on actual data that we can get either over the internet or otherwise. We ask you not to make any material conclusions from the data. In fact, if you want to do such a thing, there are paid services that you can subscribe to. In fact, Crunchbase itself has one such service.